have this brand new 2025 Civic Type R. Honestly, after seeing this in person, like, I like this a lot. Yeah. This brand new 2026 BMW M4 Competition. It's Porsche, it's a Porsche color right here. Riviera blue, so it's super, super exclusive. Look at that, eh? Looks like he just bought brand new headlights. You hear that? Honestly, I didn't even open the hood to see what's under there. What's going on, guys? We have this brand new 2025 Civic Type R that's right beside us here. What a beautiful car. Honestly, I actually want one of these. I want it in the red that it comes in, that Honda red. Does it come in the yellow as well? Firebird yellow? I think so, yeah. But this spec, even just the championship white with the red, I don't know if you've seen the interior. This is champ white, right? Yeah, it's a very, very nice spec, bro. We protected it from top to bottom. You guys seeing in the clips. Full body PPF went down. We did gloss black PPF on the roof to complement all the black accents. Yeah, I think that would have been an option if he had carbon. But because everything was already gloss black, that's why we did the gloss black roof. Matches the diffusers, spoilers, side skirts, all that stuff, you know? It's completely covered. Ceramic has been laid. We just have to do the front end. I think that's left. These rims are stock, right? Yeah. Very nice finish though, eh? The satin black. Nice. Yeah. We're gonna be putting on the spacers that he brought, torque them down, and then put the wheels, torque that down. We added our touch of obviously blacking out the orange reflector. Very, very nice. It looks like it looks factory like that, to be honest. It makes it look so much more meaner without the orange. Look at that interior, so nice. We're gonna ceramic coat the interior, and we have to do the kill switch on it. Would you rather get this or the Acura Max? Honestly, after seeing this in person, like, I like this a lot. Yeah. I like it a lot, bro. It's really, really nice. I think I would pick this, to be honest. If I do it, it would be in the red. You do red with red interior? Yeah. As much as, like, remember I told you I want to do the whole champ white Type R theme with all the cars. I don't know. I seen it in the red. It looks crazy. I don't know. Maybe with the white. Maybe with the red. I know, but I should, you know? Especially with the Type R's, the classic look is the champ white. So yeah, maybe just the champ white, I don't know. But we gotta get an allocation first. Anyone at Honda? Hit me up. This brand new 2026 BMW M4 Competition. It is a BMW individual color. It's a Porsche, yeah, but it's Porsche, it's a Porsche color right here. Riviera blue. So it's super, super exclusive. Full body PPF is going down, of course. You know, we have to protect it. Tints already been done all the way around. Are we doing windshield? We did, right? You did already? Oh, you're doing it. So yeah, windshield protection film is going down on this. Interior it's done. You have a key, can we unlock this? I'm excited about the interior. Bro, you know me, I love my Beamers, bro, come on. Yeah, so, oh, the screen's done. So screen we did in matte. Oh, the screen's matte. Yeah, he wanted matte. It actually looks really good in matte, eh? Because you don't see the face. Yeah, the glare, yeah. That's such a good idea. Yeah, it actually looks really, really good. Damn, I think I'd probably do matte too. So matte there. All the carbon pieces have been done in clear, including the entire back seat. The carbon buckets are all carbon. So all of it's been PPF'd. Is the center PPF'd as well? Center's PPF'd as well. All the upper pieces here are all done on the dash, and then we're going to ceramic coat this. Once it's all done and cured, we'll give it a quick cleanup, ceramic coat the interior, and then that'll be done there. The diffuser's crazy, like that. Yeah, pieces. Yeah, so many pieces, bro, because the carbon diffuser, you can't just do it in all one piece. You got to do like individual. Each piece is the diffuser. That's nuts. What else? This has the heritage badges on it. It's pretty cool. It actually goes really well with the color. Yeah, on the wheels too. The only thing I don't like is how the brake calipers don't match the blue. That's the M blue. Yeah. But I'm sure he's gonna be doing something with this. 1000%. He has to. Like if you color match that, it'll look crazy. This we're doing in gloss black, right? So do that. Get rid of the orange that I hate. He also has a carbon grill that's gonna be, it's gonna be swapped out. I think he said the dealer's just gonna do it for him. because when he got the car, the camera is actually pushed in right from factory, and then even the upper parts of the grill here are not even clipped in properly. I don't know if that's just how it is, but oh no. See, I just pulled it in. Look at that.
Fixing it.
They're gonna swap this and fix the camera. So, but that's their issue. If they damage it, not our problem.
Because when you remove the bumpers, sometimes it's damaged to PPF.
Yeah. So I'm obviously he's gonna tell them that it's been PPF'd. Make sure they tape everything before removing it. But I mean, we have to protect it. There's nothing else we could do. This he has in carbon, and then he has a lip. So both of them are there. He wants a PPF. It's in those boxes there. It's different. It's more open, I believe. It's something like this. It's in the box. We'll open and check. It's those two boxes there.
Grill?
Maybe, yeah, I guess the grill just goes in one piece from the back. Oh yeah, this is like the other one that we did. Remember that black one?
What is that? Oh, this is going top.
Yeah. So it gets pushed in from the back, like this. So all this is hidden from behind.
Okay, this is not gonna show.
No, no. It's just this inner piece.
It's this.
Yeah. Just this, basically, right here.
And this one too.
But that is gonna look absolutely crazy. We actually have a G580 M3 competition that's coming as well tomorrow, I think, fingers crossed.
What color? You don't want to say it.
Nah, I won't say, but it's another cool color. 20 cars in here. I don't know where they all showed up from, but it's good. We booked some jobs in, you know? Super is back for inspection. We do a complimentary inspection, usually 2 weeks to a month after. It looks beautiful. I don't even have to wash it and the car still looks clean. This is still, yeah, this is still how we deliver it. He hasn't even washed it yet. Look at the way the ceramic is just doing its job on that PPF. So we're gonna inspect it, wash it, make sure everything is good. This one came back from the body shop. So we're gonna wash it, prep it, get it ready for delivery. So that's that. We have a C300 out there. This one is in for tints. We're gonna tint it all the way around with windshield, and we're also gonna be doing a 2-year ceramic coating on this. The customer's not gonna be keeping it too long, so he just wants to freshen it up and make it look cleaner.
What's the difference between like a 2-year and a 5-year, other than like?
Well, the 2-year is just less ceramic on it. The 6-year that we do, it's multiple layers and just way more work that's put into it and more layers of ceramic. But yeah, this again, for a temporary, for him to have it for another year or two, like it's gonna do its justice. It has a lot of swirl, so we'll do a quick 1 stage on it and just get it looking right, and then it'll be good for the next year or two that he has it. Look at that, eh?
It's crazy.
Looks like he just bought brand new headlights.
It's crazy.
Remember how bad the spider cracking was? I mean, obviously it's not perfect, but
like,
it is
way
95% better than what it was.
But Art hasn't polished or anything on this yet.
No,
So
no.
it still has.
The wheels, we're gonna torque right now. We got the torque wrench. Mine effed off on me. I don't know, it's only been used like 5 times.
You
And
lost it or?
no, it's skipping. I don't know what the hell happened. I messaged the company that we bought it from, and they haven't got back to me, which is very poor customer service. Hopefully they'll respond soon, and then we can get a new one in, because it's skipping teeth, and we can't obviously have that. So we borrowed it from our boys over at Premier Tire. So we're gonna torque these down, get the car back on the floor. It's gonna get washed, it's gonna get prepped today, and then finally start the polish stage. It's been here for a few weeks. Obviously, he has a lot of cars. It's not that just been put on the back burner, it's just a lot of work that's been done to get this even to where it is now. But yeah, stay tuned, you'll see how that's gonna look once we're actually really diving into the paint. Okay, so we got this brand new 2026 or 2025, one or the other. I don't, let me check it actually here. 2025. 2025 G, not a 63, it's an EQ, so it's an electric one. First one, I haven't seen any. This is my first one that I saw. I mean, it's pretty weird driving here. There was a video I posted on my story the other day, and it was very different driving this. Oh yeah, there we go. So it's a G580 EQ. It's just, you're just so used to driving a G-Wagon that sounds like throaty and like V8. This is very different, even with the way it sounds. Like here, like I'll start it up. We were just talking about how you hear that? Honestly, I didn't even open the hood. I didn't even open the hood to see what's under there. So weird, bro. Obviously, it's all a battery and like, bro, that's so crazy. Damn. What this world is coming to. But yeah, the color is very, very nice. It complements the interior with that like tannish cream color. And it has like this, I don't know what kind of wood color you would call this, but it's very, very nice. And it's gloss. So it's the exterior complements the interior really, really well. I would do bigger wheels on this, but it came from one of our sales guys over at Mercedes-Benz Queensway, my boy Wayne. He plugged it in for the person that bought the car. And we did a full body PPF on it in stealth PPF. So it is factory in this matte color, but we protected it with stealth to keep that color as well. And we did a full ceramic coating on it, 6-year all the way around. We did windshield protection film as well. So it protects it from the rocks with the Expel. And we tinted it all the way around. I forget the percentage. I think he did 35 on the sides, 50 on the roof, and 35 on the sunroof. Let's see, yeah, 35 on the sunroof. So it's all protected, full UV coated, lifetime warranty. We also ceramic coated the full interior. What else did we do on this?
Do you have this back cover?
Yeah, everything gets PPF. When we say PPF, everything gets PPF. Every single piece, nothing gets left. We blacked out, not blacked out, but we did a dark smoke on the reflectors. We didn't go full black. So we did that for the front and the rear. Wheels are coated, glass coated, trims, paint, everything. Everything has been done from top to bottom. But yeah, if you guys are looking to protect your cars, you know, we've been doing this every single day.